Welcome, everyone, to Disability Rights Podcast, where we talk about everything about Social Security disability. How is everyone doing? So, already in February, and right now we are going to talk about 2024 Social Security. Hear from the changes in dates and any details that you must know. If you want to stay informed about the updates for this year and when those crucial payments will hit your account, you are in the right place. But before we dive into our topic for today, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more essential updates. Now, let's get started. So, knowing the changes in Social Security will undergo this year and the new dates when you will receive Social Security benefit payments is crucial if you currently receive benefits, especially if you depend on those payments for essentials for housing, utilities, and other needs such as food or commodities. This is very important. So right now we will put together all of those to help you understand the changes that will affect the Social Security this year, as well as other changes. So the Social Security Administration updates the benefit structure with an annual cost of living adjustment every year. The cost of living adjustment will be applied to all Social Security recipients' benefits, increasing them by that amount. The COLA assists in mitigating price increases brought on by rising food, utility, rent, and other expense costs. 3.2% is the Social Security Administration's 2024 cost of living adjustment. Okay. Again, the cost of living adjustment for this year is 3.2%. In light of this, benefits will be increasing by 3.2% beginning this month. For example, from the maximum of $914 in 2023 for SSI, it will be $943 maximum this year. So if you are going to apply for SSI this year, there's a possibility that you will get $943 maximum. You can actually check this on the Social Security Administration's website. So according to statistics, up to 50% of older Americans' income is derived from Social Security benefits. And 25% of elderly people who receive Social Security benefits rely solely on those benefits for their income. Because of this, recipients of Social Security benefits must need to be aware of the exact date on which their benefit checks will arrive each month. Since knowing the Social Security benefit schedule this year will help people who receive this benefit to budget and pay their bills on time. That makes total sense, right? Now listen carefully. This is very important. Depending on your birth date, your benefit checks for whether Social Security retirements, survivors, or disability benefits will arrive on the second, third, or fourth Wednesday of each month. Okay, now let's talk about the schedules. If you were born between the 1st and 10th month of your birth month, your Social Security benefit payment check will arrive on the second Wednesday of the month. Then if you were born between the 11th and the 20th of your birth month, your benefit payment check will arrive on the third Wednesday of each month. Lastly, if you were born between the 21st and 31st of your birth month, your benefit payment check will arrive on the fourth Wednesday of each month. Again, your benefit payment check will arrive on the second Wednesday. Second Wednesday, if your birthday is between the 1st and 10th month of your birth month. Then on the third Wednesday, if your birthday is between the 11th and 20th of your birth month. And lastly, fourth Wednesday if your birthday is between the 21st and 31st of your birth month. Okay. For example, if your birthday is June 28, then your benefit payment check should have arrived on January 24, 2024. Take note that this is not the schedule for SSI benefits. All SSI payments arrive on the first of every month. However, SSI payments will arrive on the last day of the previous month if the first of the month falls on a weekend or a federal holiday. For example, your SSI payment will arrive on the Friday before the Sunday if the first month falls on a Sunday. This payment schedule has a few exceptions depending on a particular situation. So the benefit check will be sent to those whose regular payment date falls on a weekend or a federal holiday for the upcoming month on the weekday immediately before their normal payment date. And then spouses or children receive payment based on their own or someone else's work record will receive their payments on the same day as their parent or spouse. The SSA will distribute benefits to recipients on the first day of every month who are also receiving SSI due to age, blindness, or disability. Additionally, on the third day of every new month, the Social Security Administration will automatically distribute payments to those who filed for benefits before May 1, 1997, live in a foreign country, or have their Medicare premiums paid for by the state in which they live are also receiving supplemental security income payments. Okay, so that's all for the schedules. Now, what if my payment hasn't arrived yet? What should I do? Although payments for Social Security benefits are rarely delayed, it does happen sometimes that payments aren't deposited when it should have already arrived. And here are some of the factors that may contribute to that. Processing hiccups or delays, which I know sucks, but it happens once in a while. Another one is updates to your personal information like your address, bank account, or maybe phone number. Then there's bad weather or holidays. In these cases where your benefits are delayed, you should get in touch with SSA right away. Now let's head on. What Social Security beneficiaries can expect this year? The Social Security Administration's COLA for 2024 will result in a 3.2 increase in benefits for recipients beginning last January 1st. Because it will depend on how much benefit money each person currently receives. The actual dollar amount of the increase will vary for each individual. Still, people should have started to receive monthly Social Security benefit payments that are approximately $55 higher. So this year, the maximum SSDI payments will rise from $3,607.27 per month in 2023 to $3,822 per month for this year. Then from $1,371 per month in 2023 to $1,415 per month for qualified couples and $943 per month for individuals this 2024. The maximum SSI payment will rise. An individual's average SSDI payment will rise to $1,530. Retirees who are receiving retirement benefits will see an increase in their average payment to $1,907. Additionally, the average payment for a benefit eligible senior couple will rise to $3,033. So the bottom line, although the basic schedule for Social Security payments this year may seem complicated, you should be able to predict when you will receive your monthly benefit payment. And that's it for today. If you have questions about your benefit amount, payment date, or how to update your account, call your local Social Security office for help. If you want to know more, you can consult a disability lawyer for a consultation, or to us, Nationwide Disability Law. Our contacts are in the description box below. If you have any questions, you can write them down in the comment section below. Make sure to like and click the subscribe button. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thanks for hanging out and learning about Social Security disability with me. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. If you need more guidance, Nationwide Disability Law is here for you. See you again for our next Nationwide Disability Law series where we help you know everything about disability law. Take care. And until then, stay informed and stay strong.